Hi, everybody. Cali Rose here. We're learning a song that I wrote in my ukulele classes. It's called Tock. Yeah, I know. I wrote this before the social media platform became popular. My song is actually about clocks and the passage of time. My husband and I were on vacation in Hawaii. And where we were staying, over our bed was a ceiling fan. And when we turned it on, it would, spin, but it also went morning, noon, and night. The oil can fix did not work. It was driving us crazy, but also it was kind of hypnotic at the same time. And this song idea like blew in through the window and started going with the fan and invited me to write it. I happened to be handy. And that's how my TikTok came into being. So it has kind of a Latin feel. We're going at 130 beats per minute. We're in the key of G. It's a 1-4-5 G, C, D7 with a little G7 towards the end of the song. So it's pretty easy, pretty user-friendly to play. Our starting note is a D. And I do a little lick. It's supposed to sound like a clock. And I'll talk about that briefly after this sing and play along video. Here we go. A 1, 2, 3, 4. The hands on the clock go round and round. A moment lost, a moment found. Keeping time every spin. One more day, start again. And the clock go tick tock, the clock. I go tick tock, the clock. Tick tock away. This life, you never know which way the wind will blow. One day you win the game, next day no one know your name. And the clock go tick tock, the clock. Go tick tock, the clock. Tick tock away. Good times come and go, bad times come and go. Sunshine come and go. Lifetime, well, you know the clock. Go tick tock, the clock. Go tick tock, the clock. Tick tock away. Doesn't matter where you live, what you take, what you give. We all doing best we can, and tomorrow try again. And the clock go tick tock, the clock. Go tick tock, the clock. Tick tock away. Every day the clock go tick tock, the clock. Go tick tock, the clock. Tick tock away. Tick tock away. Tick tock away. So I'm trying to approximate the sound of a clock, like an old-timey clock here. And I'm going to, I think, the most user-friendly option to pluck the two outside strings. I'm getting into what works for me, my finger-picking position, because I come to ukulele by way of guitar. So my thumb is plucking down on the G string. And then my other three fingers, not the baby finger, have their own dedicated string and are plucking up. The ring finger on the A string, middle finger on the E string, and my index finger on the C string. They stay put. Like this. So on the beat, I'm plucking the A string while I'm holding my G form. That stays put. So the A string, G string. I have a low G tuning. If you have a high G, it's going to sound a little bit different. That's okay. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4. There's one measure, and this motif has 4 measures. But you know what? You can get in the sandbox and have fun with this and mix and match. Any of the strings that we're holding down for this G are good to work together. For example, let's pluck the A string and the E string. 1, 2, 3, 4. That works. How about the A string and the C string? That sounds clocky. How about the E string and the G string? So you see how you can experiment? We can also pluck 2 strings at the same time. Let's try this. Using my finger picking position, I've got my ring finger plucking the A and my middle finger plucking the E. So it's like this. 2 strings, and then we alternate with the G string. So the A and the E string together, and then the G string. 1, 2. That's pretty cool. So you see how you can experiment and change it up and make it your own. You know, I teach these classes on Zoom, so come and join us no matter where you live. Especially if you want to get up in the middle of the night, if you're somewhere on the other side of the world. I'm located in Los Angeles, but if you'd like to be part of our classes, just go to my website. It's CaliRose, CaliRosc.com. You can email me, and let's get you on the list so you can play with our wonderful international Ohana. And if you're local to Los Angeles, we have 4 live jam sessions a month outside where it's safe, and we invite our ukulele friends from all over Southern California to join us. So you guys, listen, thanks for tuning in, and happy strumming.